Listen and read.
Hi Tomal, can you help me with something?
Sure, Andy.
What are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? I know about Cox's Bazar. I visited it last month.
Oh, Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot.
And it's beautiful. I love the sea and the beach, but I would like to see some new places this time.
Right, there are many places to see in our country. You can go to Sri Mongol. You can enjoy the beauty of the tea gardens there. From there, you can go to Madhab Kundo. There are some wonderful waterfalls. You can also go to St. Martin's Island.
It's a special place.
Listen and read.
Hi Sharmin, what are the main tourist spots in Bangladesh? Friends, can you answer Jenny's questions? Read section A in your book to find the important tourist spots in Bangladesh. Friends, now let's answer some questions in the next slide from section A. What is the most popular tourist spot in Bangladesh? What is Sri Mongol famous for? Where do we see beautiful waterfalls?